I just wanna live my best life. I'm tryna live my best life, baby. I just wanna live my best life. In this world you got.
So today is Vapu Ato. And a lot of people are buying your Vapu celebration food like Ipaleta, Monkey, and Sima. And I'm also trying to buy those because the husband requested, so I got already the Monkey and the Ipaleta now. Trying to find Sima. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're going to try this Luomo Sima, which is organic Sima. So yeah, so this is like a traditional drink here in Finland during at the May 1 Labor Day Eve, but here May 1 is not like Labor Day. They usually, well, it's kind of Labor Day, but the celebration is like on eve of it, and they celebrate it by wearing their hats, white caps, to like commemorate like the graduates, maybe the high school graduates or something. Basta ganun. Sana naalala ko pa yung mga nalaman ko. And yeah, this is like their traditional food during the Vapu Ato or Vapu Eve celebration. So yeah, I've shown you the Sima, and this actually tastes good. I like this drink so much. So meron siyang 0.5% na alcohol. It's made of lemon and well, there's sugar, and of course there's water here. And I think one ingredient na parang bago sa akin is na hinahalo pala dito is parang yung yeast na pwede pala siyang ihalo sa drinks or something. So yeah, so meron siyang 0.5% alcohol. It's very nothing. And here I got some Monkey. So this is really good. This is my favorite Finnish pastry. It's may something sa lasa niya. Ano siya, basta kakaiba. Isa. Parang siyang yung ano mo yung crispy cream na yung original glaze, pero hindi siya gano'n. Yung alam mo yung simple lang siya tingnan, but it's really good. That's what I mean. And then here's another traditional food during this celebration. Ipaleta. Yeah, so yeah, everything is sweet but it's good. It's good. Yes, that's all. Goodbye, Vapua. Kaikile.